Welcome to Compare to Win. The best small black balloons is probably one of the most versatile and impactful decorative elements you can add to any event, offering a sophisticated and elegant touch that instantly elevates the ambience. Whether you're planning a birthday bash, a wedding reception, a corporate gathering, or even just a themed party, these classic yet chic balloons provide a timeless appeal that never goes out of style, making them a go-to choice for decorators and party planners alike seeking to create a memorable and visually stunning atmosphere that guests will talk about for years to come. Number 5. PartyWoo 5-inch black matte latex balloons. Introducing our 5-inch black matte latex balloons, perfect for any celebration. This pack includes 50 pieces, adding a touch of sophistication to your event. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of occasions, from birthdays and weddings to graduations and anniversaries. They serve as excellent black party decorations. Crafted from durable latex, these balloons can be used to create stunning balloon garlands. They are a fantastic addition to any themed party decor. Easily inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of display, or with helium for a 3 to 6 hour float. They are perfect for retirement parties and more. To ensure longevity, avoid overfilling and protect them from extreme conditions. Handle with care to prevent popping, as a small number of imperfections can occur in mass production. What we like. If you're looking for a simple and elegant touch for smaller decorations or accents, these are a great choice. Their matte finish adds a sophisticated feel to any event. For intimate gatherings or when you need a specific number of balloons, this pack offers convenience and style. What people say. These balloons are a good size for party decorations. The black color is deep and rich, perfect for a sophisticated look. They held air well and didn't deflate too quickly. Number 4. PartyWoo Black Balloon Arch Kit. Elevate any celebration with our versatile balloon arch kit. Perfect for birthdays, baby showers, and more, these balloons add a touch of elegance to your event. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons stay inflated longer, ensuring your decorations look stunning throughout the entire event. They are perfect for creating impressive arches and garlands. Inflating these balloons is a breeze, whether with air or helium. They are designed for quick setup, bringing instant joy and a festive atmosphere to any party. From graduations and weddings to anniversaries and race car parties, these balloons are the ideal choice. They are designed to make your special occasions truly unforgettable. For best results, avoid overfilling and protect them from extreme temperatures or sharp objects. Remember, the smaller balloons may not float when filled with helium alone. What we like. If you're planning a large-scale event and want to create a dramatic balloon arch or garland, this set is perfect. The assortment of sizes allows for a dynamic and impressive display. For those who love DIY party decor and want a show-stopping centerpiece, this kit provides everything you need. What people say. These balloons are a good size for party decorations. They are made of durable material and hold air well. The black color is deep and consistent, perfect for themed events. Number 3. NISOCY 102 PCS Black Balloon Arch Garland Kit. Introducing our premium black balloons, crafted from durable, non-toxic natural latex. They are thicker than standard balloons, ensuring they won't easily burst, making them safe for everyone to enjoy. This value pack includes 102 black balloons in various sizes, 2 large 18-inch, 30 medium 12-inch, 20 10-inch, and 50 small 5-inch balloons. Everything you need for a spectacular decoration is included. These black balloons are the ultimate party decoration for any occasion. They are ideal for birthdays, graduations, baby showers, weddings, and any celebration you can imagine. Create stunning balloon arches effortlessly. Simply inflate them with air or helium, thread them through the included strip, and use the glue dots to fill in gaps. Get creative with different sizes and colors for a unique look. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to ensure your event is perfect. For an extra touch of glamour, consider using a balloon shine spray to keep them looking their best throughout your event. Add a dazzling effect to your party atmosphere. What we like. If durability and safety are your top priorities, consider this option. Made from premium, thicker latex, these balloons are less likely to burst, ensuring your decorations last. For anyone who wants peace of mind and a high-quality product that comes with helpful assembly tools, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The balloons are a good size and easy to inflate. They held air well and looked great for the party decorations. The black color was deep and consistent, adding a nice touch to the theme. Number 2. PartyWoo 127 PCS Black Balloon Arch Kit. Elevate your next event with this stunning black balloon kit. It includes a variety of sizes to create impressive decorations. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating beautiful arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. Fill them with air for up to 72 hours of display, or use helium for floating effects. They are ideal for a wide range of celebrations. With standard balloon necks, inflation is quick and easy. These balloons are designed to bring joy and add a special touch to any party. From graduations and birthdays to weddings and anniversaries, these balloons are the perfect choice. Make your special moments even more memorable. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and sharp objects. Inflate them to your desired size for the best decorative results. What we like. If you want to make a bold statement with a truly oversized balloon as a focal point, this pack is ideal. The inclusion of a 36-inch balloon alongside other sizes offers unique design possibilities. For those who love to mix and match sizes for a custom look and want a significant number of balloons for their event, this set delivers. What people say. These balloons are a great size for small arrangements. The black color is deep and rich, perfect for elegant decorations. They held air well and didn't pop easily during inflation. Number 1. PartyWoo 152 PCS Black Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing the PartyWoo Black Balloon Arch Kit, perfect for any celebration. This comprehensive kit includes balloons in various sizes to create a stunning visual impact. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons stay inflated longer, ensuring your decorations remain perfect throughout your event. They are ideal for creating impressive arches, garlands, and centerpieces. Inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or use helium for a floating effect. Their standard necks allow for quick and easy inflation, bringing joy to any occasion. To ensure the best results, avoid overfilling and protect them from extreme conditions. Proper inflation will help you achieve the desired size and look for your decorations. From birthdays and baby showers to graduations and anniversaries, these balloons are the ideal choice. Make your next event unforgettable with these versatile decorations. Easily assemble beautiful balloon arches and garlands that will impress your guests. They are designed to add a touch of elegance and fun to any party setting. What we like. If you need a substantial amount of balloons for a big celebration and appreciate a good mix of sizes for versatile decorating, this is a solid pick. The durable latex ensures they hold up well throughout your event. For anyone hosting a large party and looking for a reliable, plentiful supply of black balloons, this option is a great value. What people say. These balloons are a good size for party decorations. The black color is a nice, deep shade and looks elegant. They held air well and didn't deflate too quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.